Hey guys, so I wanted to talk about Dura coating. It's a great brand for getting your tires cleaned and shiny, and most importantly staying shiny even after it rains. So basically this is the cleaner right here. So you use this to clean your tires, and then once your tires are dry you apply the dressing. Now this dressing is going to last you like 30 days or so apparently, according to the website and all the videos I watch from that company. So if you want to know how to apply them, I won't bore you with that because pretty sure there's a ton of videos out there, but I just wanted to show you how it looks. So I washed my car 2 days ago, and it rained that evening, and it rained yesterday, and I drove through rain. And check it out, the wheels are still clean, but most importantly it's about the tires. The tires are super shiny still, as you can see. And I drove through puddles and rain, and they still look awesome. So this is the second time I applied these. I had them on another car, and now I put it on this car. And basically I highly recommend it. It's not like Armor All or some of the other brands that you spray on, and as soon as you drive out and you hit some puddles and rain, they fade away right away. This is actually a great product that just stays on the car for 3-4 weeks, maybe even more, depending on how often you drive it. And you can see it's shiny, but it's dry, so it repels water. So if I do this, I get nothing. So definitely check it out, guys. Dura coating. You can get it on Amazon or their website, dura-coating.com. And this is products that I purchased myself. I'm not sponsored by them in any way. I just wanted to share because I think it's really awesome to have shiny tires. I love my tires being shiny, and it's great that they stay shiny. So, all right, guys, peace.